Welcome to this week's F1 Bake Off. We're in Spain for the Spanish Grand Prix, and for this recipe I am making some pastissets, which are just little Spanish cookies made with cinnamon and vanilla and lemon peel. So let's get cooking! The first thing you need to do is preheat the oven to 180 degrees centigrade, that's 350 degrees Fahrenheit, gas mark 4 or 160 degrees if you have a fan oven. Into a bowl you need to add 2 cups of flour. Now 2 cups of flour is approximately 256 grams. You also need to add 2 teaspoons of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Then just give it a little mix and set aside. Into another bowl you need to add 227 grams of butter, or as the original recipe states, you can use 1/3 of 227 grams of butter and 2/3 as vegetable shortening. You then need to take your electric whisk and mix them together. Once you've mixed the butter and vegetable shortening together, you need to add 110 grams of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon of lemon peel, and 1 egg yolk. And then take your electric whisk and mix them up. Once the egg, sugar and vanilla extract and lemon peel have been mixed up, you then need to take your flour with your cinnamon mixture and pop it into the bowl, and then take a wooden spoon and mix it up until a dough forms. Once your mixture has formed a dough, you take small spoonfuls and roll them into a small ball and pop them on a greased baking tray. Once they're on the greaseproof paper, simply pop them in the preheated oven for 10 minutes until they turn golden brown. When the cookies come out of the oven, they will be very delicate, so leave them to cool for a couple of minutes and then sprinkle them with icing sugar, and then leave them to cool completely before sprinkling with icing sugar again, and then simply enjoy.